Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share some major breakthroughs for print-on-demand sellers, whether you're selling personalized products or just print-on-demand products in general. I'm really excited to have Chris from AnywherePOD back, and I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to Chris. Thanks for joining us on the channel again, Chris. Go ahead and tell us a little bit about what you've been working on.
Yeah, sure. That sounds great. Thanks for having me back on. I really appreciate it. As Jacob said, I'm Chris Meets, founder of Anywhere POD. If you haven't heard about Anywhere POD yet, go check out a video that I did with Jacob a few months back that kind of goes over more detail in it. So I'll share my screen here in a second and show you. But essentially, now what you're able to do is you create your design in Canva. You click one button in Anywhere POD, it sucks in that entire design. You check the boxes for what's personalized, and you're done, and you're ready to kind of move on to the next one. So we're super excited about this feature. We think it's going to kind of revolutionize the way that you're able to create products and the speed at which you're able to create products, whether it's personalized or not. There's kind of benefits to both. High level overview is that we are a print on demand personalization and automation app that connects with your favorite suppliers and helps to automate a lot of the process, personalization and doing group listings and combining variants. We have a ton of different functionality, not time to go through all of it now, but that's kind of a high level overview of what we do. Why don't I share my screen? We can kind of get into it and show you guys what I'm talking about here. Okay, so here we are in Anywhere POD. Let me actually jump over to Canva first and kind of show you the design, one of the designs here that I'm working on. So this is a Christmas ornament that I have for Valentine's Day that's coming up. Christmas ornaments are great because it's kind of one of those products that sell year round, in particular for anniversaries and Valentine's Day. So it's just got a nice little saying on here, forever my beloved Valentine. And then it's got a spot here where they can put in their personalize their names and personalize the year, or you can leave it as the year 2025. So this is the design that we're working with. So we've got it all created here already in Canva. What I'm going to do now is show you how you can easily create this product in Anywhere POD. I'm already connected to my stores and to my suppliers here. So I'm just going to come up to our product catalog here, and I'm going to go over to ornaments. And in this case, we're going to do this ceramic ornament here at the top from Imagine Your Photos. So we're going to go to start designing here. And you'll see now I have the option here at the top for to add from Canva. So all I need to do is click add from Canva. It's going to pull up a list of all of my designs that are that I've created in Canva. The ones I've edited most recently are going to be at the top. So normally they're all going to be right here for you. And you'll see I got a couple of options over here. The first thing is I can import from a PNG. So if I'm not doing personalization and I just want to import that as a flat file and skip having to make sure I've got the right dimensions and download it to my computer and then re-upload it and do all that, I can just import it as a PNG here, select if I want a transparent background or not, and it's ready to go. In this case though, since I'm doing personalization, I'm going to go ahead with a second option here that says import layers. And like I said, what this is doing is pulling in that entire design from Canva, exactly how we built it in Canva, with all of the layers already created for us in Anywhere POD, like as though we created this design originally in Anywhere POD. So the nice thing here is all we need to do is click on the fields that we want personalized. In this case, we've got these names here we want personalized. I'm gonna mark that as a personalized field. I'm gonna do the same thing with the year here and mark that as personalized. We're doing a circle ornament, so I'm gonna select that here at the top and click create product. And just like that, I've pulled in my design from Canva. I've got my product created with the personalization and everything already on it. All I need to do is finalize optimizing this listing, publish it to Etsy, and we're off to the races and ready to go.
That is awesome. Guys, this is a huge time saver. If you use Canva and you do personalized products, like you already know that this is going to save you so much time. This is awesome.
Yeah, we're really excited about it. Like I said, I think this is going to kind of revolutionize how you're able to not only create personalized listings, whether it's just text like I showed you. It works for images. If you're using frames in Canva to get a specific shape or rounded corners or anything like that to your images, all of that works and pulls in with it. So it's really kind of a game changer in the amount of time that it's going to be able to save you on creating designs, whether it's personalized or not, but in particularly if it's personalized. If you've ever created a personalized listing before, you know how it's kind of a pain because you feel like you're kind of duplicating and doing extra work, and all that's gone now, and it's one simple step. So talking about being able to do images, I have another example here that I wanted to show you guys of a photo collage blanket. So let's take a look at that design here in Canva real quick. It's this one here. You can see we have 9 different images. I have these all set up using frames in Canva so that you're able to kind of crop the shape, and they're all square shapes that show up on here. Then we have a little bit of other art, some background, and text here. To build this in AnywherePOD, we're going to jump back over here and let's go to a custom cat blanket in this case. And let's go with the 60 by 80. Now, one thing I wanted to mention, especially when you're doing blankets, the other piece that I have always found to be a real pain when you're trying to design in Canva for something that's a larger format like blankets is being able to get the correct dimensions for that product in Canva. Because if anybody's ever done that, you know, if you're doing something big like blankets, some wall art's the same way, these dimensions that are required from the print provider are too large to be able to use when you design a product in Canva. And you always have to take these dimensions and either divide it by 2 or 3, depending on the dimensions. And then you have to remember that and go back into Canva and create a new blank canvas at that design. So the other thing that we've done now is made that process a lot easier. So all we need to do here is click on create new design, and that's going to automatically open up a new Canva tab for me here with a blank design, so I can get started designing without having to make sure that I have the dimensions exactly correct and worrying about what I need to divide by. And then when I import this into AnywherePOD, whether it's as a PNG or with layers, it's going to automatically get it at the right size that's needed for that product. So another kind of little time saver thing that we put in there for everybody. So back to the design that we were looking at for the photo collage blanket. I'm going to come in here again, go add from Canva. In this case, it's this one right here at the top that I have. And I'm just going to hit import layers. And this is going to do a similar thing as before. It's going to set our background color. It's going to pull in our text, going to pull in our artwork, and it's going to pull in all 9 of those images individually. And it's going to set up the image cropper for each one so that they can be cropped to the correct size and shape for the design. So we can see here they all pulled in. It does on the image cropper, it does pull in and just center the image when it does the cropping. So you can see on this one, their heads are cut off a little bit. So I can easily fix that by coming here and just selecting Open Cropper Tool. And this is going to open up a little window here where I can kind of move the box around, get it lined up exactly how I need it to be, and click on Select, which that's a similar view that your customers will see. You're selling on Shopify, when they upload their image, they'll be able to have that same kind of image cropper tool. If you're selling on Etsy, you do need to have the customer either send you an email or an Etsy message with their images, but then you have that same cropper functionality when you upload it onto the order in AnywherePOD. So just like that, we have that created. All of our images are already marked as personalized. I just need to come in here and tag my text here as personalized. And we'll go to create product. Let's see, this one has a color selection here at the top. So we'll create our product, and just like that, we have that product created with text personalization and 9 separate custom images that can be uploaded and created on that product as well.
And so we can upload this blanket, we can create mock-ups for it and do some other like Etsy tags and everything else here inside of AnywherePOD, right?
Yes, so any of the mock-ups that are available from the print provider will automatically be available to you in AnywherePOD. You can see it just finished generating one of the mockups for Custom Cat. If you're using something like Printify that has multiple mockups, you'll be able to select any of those as well. You can set up your title, description, tags. We have a nice little Etsy analyzer tool here that will help you find top performing tags on Etsy. It's all built into AnywherePOD. And you can also generate a video from any of your mockups that you have loaded into AnywherePOD as well. So that'll automatically be added to your Etsy listings to be able to show that slideshow style video directly on any of your listings. Perfect time of year to be able to get in and get started on this. You know, we've got Valentine's Day right around the corner, but in particular, if you haven't started getting ready for Mother's Day and Father's Day, that kind of May, June season, now's the time to get started, especially if you're selling on Etsy. You kind of need that couple month time frame to be able to get ranked in the listings. Those are also two perfect holidays that work excellent for personalization. So if you're doing like birth flower design is another really, really common popular one. You can do that in Anywhere POD with clip art, where they can select like a grandma's garden type of design. Really, the possibilities are endless on what you're able to do. So now's a perfect time to jump in there and get started. We can leave a coupon code down below too. That'll give you your first month free of Anywhere POD with Jacob's offer that he'll put down in the description below. And that'll give you your first month. So that'll get you kind of really close to that Mother's Day season, and you should be all set from there.
Put that link down in the description for everyone. I'm sure we'll have more tutorials coming out soon and showing you guys some more things with it as well. But the link for your first month for free is going to be in the description below. Thank you, Chris. Really appreciate you showing us the new updates with Anywhere POD.
You bet. Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it.